carrot and banana porridge in one this morning, you know. Look at that creamy look, people. Cinnamon leaf in him, you know. Yeah, man, storm out the people. Stay tuned, people. Real Jamaican porridge, people. Yeah, man. Green banana. Yo, carrot!
I blessed love it tonight, man, Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Morning, morning, my beautiful people. Greetings, greetings, greetings to all you beautiful people. And I mean, well, this morning, people, as you can hear the thunder in the background and all of them things, the people, you can see say we outside, you see me? Yeah, man, and this morning, people, I just want to take the time out for do one nice epic one for you guys. So, you want to make kind of plan up, say you want to go on a porridge vlog this morning, people. You know, so I take time, I gather in some stuff. Yeah, man, me have all the fire catch already and something. So, people, make sure you start like up the channel right away, people, as me about to give you an epic video. So, yeah, man, that is it, people. Just make sure you start like and share. Yeah, if you never yet subscribe, oh gosh, man, click the subscribe button right now, people, and make sure you click all, so whenever I drop a vlog, you can stay update. You see me? So here we are going now, my beautiful people. Stay tuned, man. Make sure you leave a comment and make me know what you think about the vlog. Yeah. So here we are going now. Yeah, man, just kick it off like that. So me I take time, catch up the fire nice and sweet. Yeah, my people. And as me say, it's a rain vlog. You know, so the stick them kind of cold. Yeah, but we have to do something like this morning, people. Want to show you, say, yo, you know, we know how to deal with the thing, and, you know. So, now watch no face. As soon as you see that ketchup on a blaze and you know, want to burn down the whole place. Yes, man, that is it, people. Yeah, man. We active, man. And we out here catching fire right now. Yes, my people. Make sure you start like up the channel right away. Yes, my people. And you don't see what is this, people. Carrot. This is carrot and banana, people. So this morning we're doing some carrot and banana porridge, and we have a coconut over here we're gonna grate. Yeah, man, for going night. So people, don't worry about it, man. That one here go nice. Let me say, people, that one here go sweet, man. Yeah, man, just stay tuned for that one, people, as me there and I'll get everything together. You know what I mean? I gotta make me be mother be the video personnel, so stay tuned, people. As me out here. Yeah, peace, me there. I go and take time, great high coconut, as you can see. Yeah, man, the fire blaze, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, so me there, people. Want to get the ball roll going, you see it? So stay tuned for the epic piece, you see it? Great like carrot and all my people. Great like banana and them things. You my beautiful people. Carrot and banana porridge in one this morning, you know. You know, build up the body. Give the body some iron. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so stay tuned for that one, people. That was nice. You know, not like the settings I to make alone coconut milk. It go on, you know. Good feeling of the weather, yeah. You can have them something, yeah. You know, drink up and all that vibe, relax here and the family. Yeah, them say storm out, so the right thing is to go on All that vibes fun. Nice carrot, great down and thing. Want to sell them carrot, all my brother me the purchase them for, you know. And due to circumstances, you know, me end up reach which part in the day late, so you know, papi all go left me and then sitting there. I just one of them things there, you know. Still have them here, me can, you know, full jar them same where them can't go to waste. So the jar I see them, you know. Yeah man. From where days like everything me look about me, I can't drop carrot tonight because around 5 pound me they buy fee man, plus me they buy and 2 pound for myself otherwise. So me end up have to carry everything. Cause you know, I live far away. I live in Port Antonio, I live in St. Thomas. So just one of them things there people. But me there. I go and take time to do the right thing. See me can match up a healthy breakfast this morning for the family. See me. But a vlogging style, you know. That is it man. Could I do plantain, but prefer to do a banana one this morning. Next time I can do a plantain mix with the carrot said speed. Yeah man. There's a vibe with people man. Great vibes. Stay tuned. When it done great at home, I go mix it up as it. Yeah man, stay tuned for that people. I know no good here say yo, me you know, living our old days by using the grater, but I really have no blender you know, and you see me? We have to do same way. I not go say true, I not blender, I not go do a vlog for them thing. You know, and then when it even grate too, it more refined than when it blend, you see me? To me, I feel like say it more taste. You can get not really say refine because the blender really refine it out, but in terms of you can get little of the food to eat and you know you can get one little piece of carrot now and then in your mouth there. And, you know what I mean? Well soft and by you go so it melt out said speed so you know the greater one kinda more nicer to me. The next one more smooth. You see me? The when it blend, it more smooth. The porridge is more smooth. So, yeah man. I more like the down to earth one. You see it? But that not say me have a blender. I own blend up every now and then. See me. You see it? But my people me there man. Stay tuned now. As you can see. Me a robot with robot and things see me. So I get in there shortly people. Just a few to go, you know. So stay tuned when me mix it up, we go in a pot and all of that, you know. Yeah man. Try make you see little walk one outside, you know. Yeah man, storm out the people. Storm out the people. The tree I broke down and thing out the people. Just want to see little walk one, you know. Yeah man, storm people, storm you know, cheese and peas, and Jajalan here today. Mighty God in a St. Thomas, yo look over there some people, I don't know if you can see over on the hillside, just take a pre people. Yo, the breeze are go hard people. No joke. You think this a chicken or pork people? Storm. Look at that creamy look people. Yeah man, I may a drop in me cinnamon leaf in I know. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Right now, me about to drop in like a vanilla, my people. Yeah, making go on the simmer down. Look for the cream night, my people. Say, you know, that one here go nice, you know, my people. That one here go sweet, you know, people. Yeah, man. If you notice the coconut milk, well boiled. Yeah, so people, stay tuned and me mix up the little carrot grate with the banana. So stay tuned, my people, and me keep on posted on what's going on. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, look on the rich inside, people. On the rich inside, people. No say no word, man. That go nice. Yeah, people. Real Jamaican style. I'm about to put him in a pot now. So, people, stay tuned for that, people. Stay tuned, people. See your carrot looking at him. Tell us we have 2 pieces sitting for eat, man. You see? Some can dash, some can. Joy and happiness. You see it, people? So stay tuned, you know? Oh, backside, people. Everything up out night one time, so like a jellyfish. Everything splash out nice, so splush. People, imagine it have a fragrance and it's something just dropped in our pot, people. Say it have a nice fragrance, people. Coconut milk. And everything we're going out liquid, I just eat a nice smell. People, I swear upon my life. Have a nice little fragrance there. But you have to keep stirring. Because if you don't keep stirring, I'm going to go end up lumpy. So only lump me want in all the lump them way. Lick half a little carrot and the little banana hen. Yeah, then the lump that alone me want now. And then that's my food. So people, stay tuned. Stay tuned, my people, as I realize it's gonna be banging. Baby mother have video and I camera personal, you know. Yeah, man, you see what I go on, my people. And I have a nice people. Just stay tuned, man. I go and stir. And you can see what I go on. Show me say everything up and hey people, me say it have a fragrance. Yes, man. Jesus Christ. Yo, people. Have a fragrance there. Yeah, my beautiful people. As I can see, take time and bubble up now, people. I'm here to say, look nice, 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 people. Look nice. That is in, people. See myself, you know? That is it, my people. See my bubble, people? Oi. Yeah, my people, carrot and banana mix, you know? That is it, people. Oi. Good old Jamaican wood fire, people. Yeah, man. Tell you, know, people, it have a fragrance, you see? No wonder if you not smell it. Yeah, man, wood fire settings to the people. You know what thing? I know no like see wood fire cooking to and all of that, you know. You see it? So that way I may keep it to them, man. Wood fire. I'm gonna give you a little free up time to see them, man. We can do what we do before we rain bus again, you know. So stay tuned, people, as you know, me showing what's going on and all of that. Yeah, man. Active people. Nah, I'm gonna lie. Up on the carrot and the banana porridge, people, whole heap of iron and vitamin there, and you know, protein and yes, we may did. Yes, man. Tell the people. Try it at home, man, for yourself, you know. Try it at home, man. Fragrance alone, when I get out tight, I'm not putting in nutmeg in it yet, you know, people. So you must know me I talk about. Nutmeg not going in it, man. Look on that yellow, look there. Yeah, man, the coconut milk eat a creep with the people, Jesus. You don't see it? You see creep at the top, people. No, sir. Yeah, man. Bad, my people, man. It's all bad. Talk about bad people. No joke. And you go sweet, my people.
No fire, bees. Bee. Boy. Bee.
Woi.
No fire, bees.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Yo, the pot sing sweet tune, people. Like me, I make all listen, you know. I don't know if I hear it. Yeah, man, that's how wood fire food sing sweet tune, you know, people. That is it. Africa, yo. Big up your damn self, you know. That is it, man. Whole the island try big up. Whole island try big up on your damn self, man. You know what thing going on, man. Yardy style. You active out here. All of my loyal subscribers, them know what thing going on. That is it, man. Jamaica style of cooking, you know, man. Can't get no better than this, you know, people. Show no Iron Man do it, you see? Iron Man style, people. Know how do it already, you know. Pot cover hot boy, you know, people. That me I tell you, feel like a joke. You wanna see me, you will me and take it off. No joke. Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, me there try matter porridge look how nice it look, my people. Yeah, man, so you don't know. They are active, you know. I go and do what we have to do in the weather, you know. That is it, my people. So stay tuned. As me there, I go and do the right thing to please you guys. You know, real Jamaican porridge people. Yeah, man. Green banana. Yo, carrot! No, that is it. As you can see right now, it can land, you know, people. Yeah, man, it can land right now, my people, man. That is it, people. As you can see, the coconut milk does circle coconut highlight, you know, people, just put it. For no coconut highlight, you see, my people. Yeah, man, active people, active. So, me I land it, you know, sweeten him up, and make you get a taste. You see that? That is it, man. Normal, a lie. Yeah, my beautiful people, I'm about to story me now, so don't worry about it, people. Me nah ask if this a storm. You see anytime you see leaf a blow pan a excess amount like that, people who just know say I storm that, people. No joke. You see me? I'm out here, you know. Out here, people. Active! Yo! Active, people! Catch the cloud, go on. You see me? I don't say this. I don't see little cutter. The load left behind. Jalo father great. Talk cute no people. Look there now, man. And down in a gully a tear down in the people. So I can't go out there. I have to just stay indoor and go on video. Show me. Look for all the hockey tree there. As tough as the hockey tree there is, look there. Breeze are lean that. Watch it, people, watch it. No, sir. As tough as that tree there is, people, it will lean up. No, sir. Hoorah, hoorah, what a hoorah, oh. Whole heap of rain and weather in the place you know. Chubby! No, sir. Active people, normal lie. Active people, active. Weather out here, people. Weather out here.